Hello, Longaberger friends and family. It is Kristine Zell here on this Sunday. Such a special day of the week in our house. It's our day to rest and relax and recharge and get ready for the week ahead. I love Sundays. We call them our sleepy Sundays. And I am dressed like it's the weekend, so we are ready to unwind together. I am an Elle Daily host, a shopper, a Longaberger lover. I am just so thrilled to be part of the shopping experience that you get here in the Elle Daily. You can shop everything live right here in this video, so I'm really honored to be with you today. I love Longaberger. If I have not shared this, my mother has collected these baskets, my grandmother, my mother-in-law, so this quality Longaberger legacy, as I like to call it, has been living on through my family and so many American families. Everything handcrafted in Dresden, Ohio when it comes to those baskets. And it's been exciting to see how Longaberger has branched out and really have been able to give us products to complement those baskets that we've known and loved and becoming a true lifestyle brand. So today on this Sunday, you are in my coffee bar. Welcome. I'm excited to have you here in my home in Houston, Texas. If you were in my home right now on a Sunday morning, I would be making you a latte. Our latte machine only gets used on the weekends. Usually it's shuttling kids around and work and all the craziness of the week. So this is a day that we really love to take care of ourselves. And as part of the Social Sunday, we like to share here on the Elle Daily tips and tricks when it comes to easy how-tos. Maybe it's sharing our favorite recipes. In this case, I'm going to be sharing with you a latte recipe that I just invented and love. So I wanted to share that with you using all Longaberger products when it comes to how we're going to sweeten our coffee, the coffee itself, how we're going to pour the coffee. So I'm going to show you some of my favorites, like I said, that you can shop live here in this video. All right, this was actually inspired by a previous Elle Daily that I did a couple of weeks ago. I love this brand. It's called With Co, and it's a cocktail mixer, which you can find at longaberger.com. There's about 10 flavors, so you can really have fun picking out your absolute favorites. In this video, I'm featuring the With Company Cocktails Honey Sour. And I have done this. We love whiskey sours. My husband likes that dark liquor. So this has been a really nice mix for him at the end of the day to have some fun with his favorite whiskeys. But today, inspired by a previous Elle Daily, as I mentioned, someone commented on the day that I did one on the cocktails, I don't drink. And I said, okay, there are still so many ways that we can use this cocktail mixer in our everyday life if you don't do drinking. So this could be a mocktail. You could have a lot of fun with that. There's some great recipes that you can find online when it comes to mocktails. But for me on Sundays, I love to just sip my coffee slowly and relax and enjoy. So I'm gonna make a latte using our honey sour because what's in here is lemon, raw honey, and bee pollen. So really simple ingredients. There is water, lemon juice, pure cane sugar, raw unfiltered honey, bee pollen, and a little bit of aromatic bitters. So I think it's gonna give a lot of interest to the latte. So we are going to pour in just a splash. I'm not very good at measuring, but just pour in a little splash here. Give it some flavor. Smells so good. It's definitely aromatic. I love it. It feels very herbal and like organic. It definitely has that farm fresh feel to the look, the color of it. Even at the bottom, you can see some of that raw honey settling. So just give it a good shake. Pour that in. I decided to go with the hazelnut milk. This I found in my local grocery store. I'm actually dairy-free. Womp womp. Give that a good shake and mix it up. Okay. Now you probably hear the latte maker going, it's making a little noise. Move everything over, and actually I have some local Texas honey. I'm gonna give it a little extra honey because I like my coffee really sweet. Put that in there. Okay. Now we're going to froth it, because that's the whole point of the latte, right? Like a little barista. Raise your hand in the comments if you love coffee. How do you take your coffee? Do you like it black? Do you like lots of creamer? Do you like a latte? Do you like an iced coffee in summer? See, I even do hot drinks in summer. Okay, it's getting nice and frothy. It's so pretty. I can smell the Whipco, that honey sour. There's so many fun flavors though. You should definitely check that out at longaburger.com. Oh, that smells good. Okay, so what I did to save time before is I used our Elephants Never Forget. Now this coffee from Longaburger that we carry always supports a good cause, and there's different flavors. So this one is going to be our ground light roast. There is a medium roast, a dark roast. Girls Run the World is a decaf blend, so if you can't do caffeine, whether you're pregnant or it's the end of the day you like your latte, or for whatever reason if you can't do caffeine, I love that that's an option. I am going to do a light roast for this one because honestly that's all I have left, because we go through this coffee so fast, so it's time for me to reorder. I put that in the latte machine. I did 2 espresso shots. Since it's a light roast, I did a couple extra. This is our Gorgonzola coffee. It's called Elephants Never Forget. It is Arabic coffee, but 100% of the profits support wildlife conservation. So it's really amazing that Longaburger was very thoughtful in the coffee that it wanted to curate, carry, and support. So know that this one is doing really good when it comes to wildlife conservation in some of the large areas there in Mozambique, actually. That's the Gorgonzola National Park, so you can read all about it there on the back. So cool. And then Girls Run the World is a different mission. 100% of profits support girls' education, and you can read all about that on the back. So awesome. All right, and then before I pour our Longaburger coffee into our Longaburger mixer, we have here our 1973 coffee mug collection. So for my husband and I have 2 ready to go. This is really wonderful though that we have now offered mugs in the 1973 collection. So that is going to be beautiful pieces that are all vitrified when it comes to the pottery collection of the 1973 collection. So that means it's freezer, microwave, and dishwasher safe, all made in the USA, which is incredible. Gorgeous colors. You can get it in the smoke or the mint. I have the linen here. So, so pretty. It matches the cupboards. I love leaving these out just right at the top. I think it looks fantastic just sitting out. But what I love about these is it is a large pour. So you're going to be able to fit a lot of coffee in here. So I'm going to do 1 shot, 2 shot, and we're going to put in our mixture of that honey and bee pollen and hazelnut milk. All right. Oh, you know what? I know what we're missing here. Need a little bit of a dash of cinnamon. Oh yeah, there you go. That's pretty. Can you see in there? I don't want to spill it. It looks so pretty and it smells so good. I love these mugs because of their thickness. You can just easily cup it. These are such great mugs to enjoy your favorite cup of coffee off. Okay. Okay, that is good. That tastes like that $10 latte you pay at the corner down the road. You know what I'm talking about. That is so good. To be honest with you, I was like, I had this idea, but I wonder if it's gonna work. And it is delicious because you have that sweet honey with the pop of that lemon. It's so unexpected. I would call this my lemon honey latte. Yeah, lemon honey latte. What else is in here? I forgot already. Yeah, water, lemon juice, cane sugar, honey. There you go. And some bitters. Oh yeah, I taste that. But you can definitely see that on the back there are cocktail ideas for you. So it's multi-purpose. I think you can even put this in some recipes when you're baking and cooking because the flavors are so bright for summer. That's why I specifically picked this one out of all the flavors to share with you. This is that honey sour. Pick this up. Check out. You will not regret this. Could be a graduation gift, a wedding gift, a shower gift, a housewarming gift. Get one for you and one for a friend if it's a girlfriend's birthday. I mean, everyone can use this whether you drink or not. It's a mocktail, it's a cocktail, it's now a latte. And again, I think you could have some fun cooking with this, maybe even making some dressing out of this and just pouring a little bit in because you have that honey and the bitters and the lemon. But as a latte, it's really fun. Oh, that is good. That's good. I found my new latte. I think my husband's going to enjoy it too. So on Sundays here at the Elle Daily, Again, it's about sharing recipes. So this was my fun little Sunday lemon, what did I call it? My lemon latte, my lemon honey latte. There it is. It's gonna be famous in the house. I'm gonna definitely be sharing it with those that I love. So I hope you enjoyed this Sunday. It was fun taking you into my coffee bar, showing you some of my Longaberger favorites when it comes to our coffee that supports good causes. Our Withco, that's going to be our cocktail mixer, and our 1973 collection. Oh, my dog scared me. 1973 collection in these mugs. Have a great Sunday, friends. Until next time, I'm gonna go take care of the dog and the kids. Until next time, I'll see you soon. Bye.